Hey everyone, so we do have more updates today. Coinbase now accepted on the website and they basically tagged SHIBA over here. Thank you so much for dropping a like. It's only a matter of time before we see a Coinbase partnership. But when Coinbase allows SHIBA Inu to be accepted for other markets or basically for companies, that's when I think Shiba Inu is going to get its true potential, because what we saw is the Dogecoin market being very strong. A lot of people pay in Dogecoin, believe it or not. So if we see something like that for Shiba Inu, surely it will grow in the future. But as again, a lot of people don't know about this, but Exodus wallet now supports Shiba Inu, and this is another major adoption. So people are very excited about that. But if we check over here, Shiba Inu actually dropped the most during the dip. So right now we're out of the dip, I would say. We're halfway through the dip, which is something I was talking before, and you won't really notice unless you've been watching the market for some time. But we can see here that the dip is now slowly fading away. We're reaching September, the most important factor. We're reaching December, which will be even better. And hopefully by the end of the year, we can see Shiba Inu reach at least half of its at its highest, maybe it's full at its highest. But when it dipped the strongest. The same was, Dogecoin, as it jumped 43% in June. Obviously, we also had a donation. We had a few other things. But it hit the latest in the market dip, and maybe we can recover the strongest out of that. I do definitely hope so. Shiba Inu dropped to the most, but Dogecoin also went from 73 cents to 21 cents, which is a crazy, crazy drop. It even dropped by 88%. So that's a big drop. Right now, they're holding about 20 cents so far. SHIB has lost 7%, and yeah, that's crazy. We could definitely be seeing that SHIB rebound in the future, but it's not bad to forget that Shiba Swap Team is not the only exclusive group with permission to develop around Shiba. You can make your own Shiba Inu project. You can make the SHIB project grow. And the end result of this is that you are responsible. When people ask me questions with expectation, I always send the question back to them. So you can make your own project and make Shiba Inu grow. But Ventable's wealthy clients are interested in crypto. Imagine if they buy Shiba Inu. This is something I was talking about before. And the Swiss bank has offered some of the firm's clients are allocating part of their portfolios to crypto. And Shiba Inu is part of that as well. It's not just Ethereum, it's not just Bitcoin, but the Swiss bank actually having a lot of money, and their clients usually have millions, if not billions of dollars. And Zeno's top CEO of Swiss private banking and investment giant Ventobel has revealed that some of the company's wealthy clients have crypto exposure. Speaking to Bloomberg, stated that Ventobel's clients are invested into crypto. And according to Staub, blockchain technology will have a profound impact on the global finance. What we offer to our clients is what we wrap in cryptocurrencies in a secure, convenient, and easy to handle way. And clients appreciate that and allocate part of their wealth to that. So it seems like we are seeing massive bumps into crypto, and it's only a matter of time before big institutions start investing into Shiba Inu as well, as long as it gets more updates. Binance already did the same thing, but according to the report, the bank's asset under management grew 11% in the first half of 2021, reaching an all-time high of about 300 billion. So that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money into crypto. Ventobel is one of the pro-crypto banks in Switzerland. So we're seeing banks that are actually, helping out crypto. The bank was already creating Bitcoin-based investment products, but Staub's comments reinforced previous statement by other wealth management firms about the growing appetite for crypto exposure among the big money clients, such as the extent of the growing interest that investment banks are becoming incentivized to offer crypto investment products to their rich clients. Because we saw this with JP Morgan, right? And banks are now coming in, and this is what's causing crypto to massively grow, and it's only a matter of time before we see crypto grow. So Swiss banking giant UBS to reportedly offer rich clients crypto investments. When this is happening, banks are coming in together and actually seeing, wait, we don't have to, stop crypto. We could just use crypto and let people decide for themselves. And when they do that, they give so much option to people to actually invest into something else. And this bumps up the crypto market. Now, crypto investment offerings for wealthy clients will be limited to a small fraction of their portfolios due to vitality of an asset class, but it's still happening. They're still offering big rewards. All through, it's a small percent. JP Morgan did the same thing. They gave retail wealth clients access to crypto funds. And it's only a matter of time before you can go to a bank and buy Shiba Inu. And I'm really excited for that one. Obviously, we need some regulation. It might take a year or so. It might take 2 years. It might take 3 years even. But when we see that, I do think Shiba Inu could be reaching 1 cent with either staking or with either a huge burn. Now, digital currency may be answer to help the unbanked, Senator Warren says. So from hating on crypto, he actually became very nice on crypto. Now, Senator Elizabeth Warren appeared to have softened her stance on crypto industry in the recent remarks, as she probably saw her portfolio grow. Now, just joking around, of course, the senator and former United States presidential candidate Elizabeth Warren believes that the digital asset industry may be a tool to tackle some challenges in the traditional financial system. So imagine if the country comes in and actually says, okay, maybe we're going to start using crypto and save some problems out there. There have been enormous failure by the big banks to reach consumers all across the country. Digital currency and central bank digital currency may be the answer here. So there's still some hope for digital currencies and cryptocurrencies overall, even confirmed by Elizabeth Warren. Warren's latest comment on crypto comes shortly after a senator referred to crypto-related players and enthusiasts as shadowy, faceless group of supercoders and miners in a Tuesday press panel devoted to crypto. And obviously, there's a lot of speculation what's true and not about crypto. And I do think, they're calling out basically all of these coins, even Shiba Inu. They're even calling out Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and all of these that don't represent anything. But that's the point of crypto. It's decentralized. There's no owner behind it. And that's the beauty about it, unless it offers some coders and mining. But Japan to test Ripple's ODL service for money transfer to Philippines. Imagine if this goes through, how many more people would be using crypto, not just because of Ripple, but also they would be going to other type of collaborations as well. But traders anticipate DeFi Summer 2.0 after TVL and token price rises. And, Shiba Swap is DeFi. Shiba Swap could potentially grow. Obviously, it's not a DeFi token, but we could be seeing a large boost in Shiba Swap's total value lock. Now, TVL as a platform in the sector as a whole is used to determine the strength and weakness across all platforms. So Shiba Swap still has a very strong potential, as all DeFis. It's still very strong. Crypto app Valora raises 20 million, becomes independent from Celo. Valora said it will use the products for funds for process development. So with so much money, they're trying to get more people comfortable using cryptocurrencies. And when we get that, right now it's super hard to buy Shiba Inu. If you bought Shiba Inu, you probably had to go on Binance. You had to go on some random exchange and buy it from there and then transfer it to your own wallet. If you even did that, and that cost you a lot of Ethereum fees, which then you had to buy Ethereum, a very complicated process. But what these companies are trying to do is go and make crypto really easy to use. And when you offer someone like that, just putting up their credit card, owning some crypto, that's when it's much easier to do everything like that, the important stuff. So we are seeing beautiful things happening for Shiba Inu. Definitely love about this. What was the point of this video? Obviously, keeping you updated with the news, but there's some positive news out there that you need to stay strong. Even if the price is not changing, even if the price is going seriously up or seriously down, stay positive. You're super early into cryptocurrency. Thank you for dropping a like and everything else. Be sure to subscribe for more content and see you next time. Peace, everyone.